Hello everyone, I'm Sucheta, your physics ma'am, and today I'm going to teach you all topic called Center of Gravity, which is from class 10 ICSE from chapter Force. This is the second unit of the chapter. So without wasting time, let us quickly move to the topic. Now what is center of gravity? सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी के लिए हमने एक वर्ड एक टर्म सुना होगा हमेशा ना, वी से सीजी ऑफ अ बॉडी, राइट? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज दैट सीजी? CG is nothing but the center of gravity. Let us understand the concept of it. So suppose you have a body and if you break it into pieces, right? I mean the body is composed of so many particles of it, right? Now for one particle, you know that weight of the body acts at some point, right? Just say if we say suppose there is some object for which we have to show the weight of the body. So there is suppose a table and you keep a book on the table. We show the weight of it acts at some point, right? Now what point are we talking about where the weight of the object acts? This is nothing but center of gravity of that point. Now when I say this, I am saying that any object for that matter is made up of small particles. तो उन small particles का भी कुछ अपना weight होगा, right? So here if you see in the diagram, we have shown like one whole body. Rather than showing weight of one whole body at one point, we say each and every particle will have its own weight acting vertically downward, है ना? So center of gravity of the body क्या है? It is a point within the body, sometimes within, sometimes outside, at which now algebraic sum of the moments. So agar weight is nothing but the force of it and force acting vertically downward, if I calculate for a particular small points like that, है ना, उसका moment about all these particles about a particular fixed point, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Instead of looking at single particles, I combine the body and I say कि इन सबका weight कहाँ पे act कर रहा है? एक particular point पे act कर रहा है. So center of gravity of a body is a particular point about which algebraic sum of the moments of weight क्या है? Force है ना? उसका moment अगर calculate करे और about the particular point will be equal to 0. Now the entire what we consider, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया ना कि एक बुक का weight एक point पे act करता है, this is the center of gravity. So the entire weight can be considered. अलग अलग particles का पकड़ने से अच्छा है एक point पकड़ लेते हैं कहीं पे जो आएगा जिसपे overall weight of the body can be shown acting vertically downward. So it is the point about which, now what is important when you define it, these terms are important, है ना? Point about which the algebraic sum of moments, you should not write the algebraic sum of the forces, we should say the algebraic sum of moments of weight of all the particles constituting the body, मतलब सारे particles of the body, उसका moments about that particular point becomes 0. So that is the point on the body. Now sometimes it is out of the body, sometimes it is within the body, right? Now we'll see how it happens. Now where all it can lie? So the position of the center of the gravity. First thing, it depends on the shape of the body. तो कोई भी irregular shape हो or a regular body shape हो, it always will depend on the distribution of mass, whether the mass distribution is equal or not. If it is equal and if the body is of a a regular shape, then वो कहीं पे center पे act करेगा. So it always depends on the distribution of mass. If that is not equal, your center of gravity will not be in the center. Now it changes as the body is deformed. तो अगर आप उसको तोड़ देते हो कुछ object को, है ना, like a stone you have, its center of gravity lies somewhere. You deform the body, you change the shape of a body, you cut the body in pieces, like कुछ square ले लिया, block of wood ले लिया, इसको cut कर दिया. Will the center remain same? Definitely not. It changes if the body is deformed, if it is broken, if its shape or size is changed, then it will also, the CG, the center of gravity will also change. Now it is not necessary that center of gravity will be within the material of the body. Suppose कोई चीज hollow है, right? If you say there is a ring or a pipe which is hollow from inside, then it is not necessarily that center of gravity will lie on that particular body. It can even lie आउटसाइड द मटेरियल ऑफ द बॉडी, है ना, जहां पे मटेरियल नहीं है वहां पे भी सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी एक्ट कर सकता है ना. Now it is a concept that body of weight W as a point particle of a weight acts at the center of the gravity. तो ये concept है that okay we consider that the whole weight of the body will act at this particular point called as center of gravity, and it will not necessarily lie on the or within the material of the body. ठीक है. Some examples now we will see where the center of gravity of these particular objects or bodies are. Now let us take an example of a circular ring, है ना, जो ring बोलते हैं इसके अंदर मटेरियल नहीं है, but then where will the center of gravity lie? G is called as center of gravity here. Yes, will lie not within the material. यहाँ पे तो कुछ मटेरियल है ही नहीं, ring है ना, right? Now if it is a disc, then there is a material and it exactly lies in the center of that disc. Then if it is a triangular lamina, for a triangular lamina you can see the point of it lies on the point of intersection of the median. So if you draw these three medians, उसका जहां पे intersection होगा वहां पे आपका point G lie करेगा. Suppose there's a rectangle. Again you draw the diagonals for that, and for a rectangular object or lamina it will lie where the intersection of those diagonals is. Parallelogram का भी same है. For a square also it is same. Now if that is a rod, okay, if it's a rod, then where will the CG act or center of gravity act? It will be exactly at the midpoint of that particular rod. Yes, but if it is a hollow one like a cylinder, है ना, तो ये मटेरियल के विद इन नहीं रहेगा. इट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट गोइंग टू बी विद इन द मटेरियल बट लाइज वेयर द मटेरियल इज नॉट देयर, बट इट विल बी स्टेइंग ऑन दैट एक्सिस, है ना, ये जो एक्सिस है इसके ऊपर ये लाई करेगा. लाइक दैट ऑल अदर एग्जांपल्स आर देयर. इफ देयर इज अ हॉलो कोन, इट लाइज एट द h/3 total height divided by 3 from the base. Okay, it will be there. Then parallelogram, rectangular lamina, all these we've seen. The diagonals, wherever they intersect, you will have the center of gravity at that particular point. Now why are we talking about the center of gravity here? Now any body, like अभी तक जो भी shape, sizes, objects देखे उसका center of gravity पे अगर if you hold that particular object on a pinpoint, you can actually balance the whole body if you have actually got the point CG correct, right? Now the center of gravity is the point on which you can actually balance the whole weight of the body. Yes, that is the application of this center of gravity. That is the point where you can balance the whole weight of the body. जैसे यहाँ पे एक रूलर देख लिया, रूलर का सेंटर इट्स अ मीटर रूलर, सो 100 सेंटीमीटर का हुआ. कहाँ पे बैलेंस कर सकते हो? एक टिप पे, और टिप ऑफ अ पेंसिल, नाइफ एज पे यू कैन बैलेंस इट एग्जैक्टली एट द मिड पॉइंट. तो 50 सेंटीमीटर पे यू कैन ऑलवेज बैलेंस इट. तो वो हो गया आपका सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. तो अगर आपको बैलेंस नहीं मिल रहा है, दैट मीन्स यू हैव नॉट गॉट द एग्जैक्ट सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी पॉइंट. स्क्वायर लैमिना भी दिखाया है. इस पॉइंट पे अगर आप नेल टिप पे, नाइफ एज पे रखोगे तो वो बैलेंस हो जाएगा, है ना. अब सपोज देयर इज इरेगुलर शेप लैमिना. रेगुलर के लिए तो हाँ चलो हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते कि किस हाइट पे है, कहाँ पे आएगा. बट इफ इट इज एन इरेगुलर लैमिना तो हम क्या करेंगे? तो यू हैव टू हैंग द लैमिना और सस्पेंड इट टेकिंग अ प्लम लाइन, है ना. प्लम लाइन होता है जो प्लम्बर जो कंस्ट्रक्शन में यूज होता है. सो यू हैव टू हैंग इट ऑन सम प्लेस, लाइक सस्पेंड करना है एक साइड पे, एंड योर प्लम लाइन जो आएगी उसके अलोंग आपको एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. सो यू हैव टू पियर्स द होल ऑन दैट लैमिना एट पॉइंट ए बी सी, और आपको उसको रोटेट करके एट पॉइंट ए फर्स्ट यू सस्पेंड, देन यू ड्रॉ द लाइन ए डी प्लम लाइन की हेल्प से, देन यू सस्पेंड इट ऑन पॉइंट बी हियर, B should come here, then again you will get one lines like BE. Then for C also you suspend it like the same way and you will get line CF. And when you see that there is a point of intersection of all these lines crossing, है ना, यहाँ पे, that will be your center of gravity. This is how we can find out the center of gravity even if the body is of irregular shape, है ना. ये irregular lamina हो गया. There is one activity given in the Selena book. How to do that I have just explained. So this is the center of gravity part. So I hope the topics were clear to you today for center of gravity और कैसे find out करना है. If you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.